Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars without downloading. Cloud gaming services offer a fantastic solution, letting you stream games directly to your device. These platforms handle all the heavy lifting, processing the game on powerful remote servers. All you need is a stable internet connection, ideally with at least 10 megabits per second download speed, and a compatible web browser or a dedicated app to start playing instantly. Several excellent cloud gaming platforms can help you enjoy Brawl Stars without a download. Google Play Games Beta on PC is a strong contender, expanding its library to include many popular mobile titles. You might also investigate other cloud gaming providers that specialize in streaming mobile games. Many offer free trials, typically lasting a few days, or flexible subscription models, allowing you to choose what works best for your gaming habits. Another method involves browser-based platforms or emulators. Certain websites provide environments where you can play mobile games directly through your web browser, eliminating the need for any downloads. For optimal performance, a robust internet connection is crucial, ideally with latency under 50 milliseconds. Always exercise caution and verify the legitimacy of any website before playing, ensuring your online safety and a smooth gaming experience. To ensure the best experience, a high-speed, stable internet connection is absolutely paramount, aiming for 20 megabits per second or more. Your device should also meet the minimum specifications of the chosen cloud gaming service or browser. If you are playing on a personal computer, a wired Ethernet connection can significantly enhance stability. Also, be mindful of data usage, as streaming games can consume several gigabytes per hour, especially on mobile networks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.